At FINRA, we chose AWS because we wanted to be able to deliver innovation at a much larger scale and much more rapidly to our core business. I'm Salman Michael Farr. I'm the Senior Vice President of Technology at the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority. FINRA is the largest independent regulator of financial markets in the US. We have approximately 4,000 staff, and we have offices throughout the US. We evaluated and moved to AWS Cloud for several reasons. One of them was to get the ability to do better analytics on big data and more extensive analytics and deeper looks at what's going on in markets for regulatory purposes. A second reason we chose to move to AWS was to be able to get better cost effectiveness compared to a private data center. Market volumes can vary easily a factor of 3x during normal operations. So we can expand up and down with the volumes that come in, both in the ingestion pipeline, in the validation, and the normalization. Then, in response to different things that are happening in the markets, we're able to spin up clusters with EMR and apply various query engines, such as Hive, to these pools of data that come in. What we're able to do is allow the regulatory analysts to interactively query multi-petabyte scale data. And in doing so, zoom in on where the potential problem areas are. When you're receiving 75 billion records a day and processing this and surveilling this information, if we can automate this process to the highest degree possible, we can be a lot more efficient. And this allowed us to take this information in and have from the point of ingest to the point at which the data is available for analytics to operate without human intervention to deal with errors, resubmissions, and that type of activity. So this allowed us to redirect our investment from production support and operations to software development and developing better analytics. Because we're able to, on demand, request computing resources, what we're able to provide is a rich set of analytics for our regulatory staff. In January of 2014, we began a 2.5-year project to rewrite, re-implement, re-architect our market regulation systems on AWS. And that project has been going on and has been very successful to date. We have approximately 75% of the systems already in production on AWS, and we're beginning already to realize the benefits. We make extensive use of S3, EMR, EC2, Hive on EMR, HBase on EMR. We also make extensive use of the various other supporting systems around these. When we first started to look at AWS and consider moving to AWS, we weren't sure what the support model would be like. As we've moved through the process and engaged with AWS Enterprise support and the various channels that AWS provides, it's been anything but that. And we've received really the type of support that we would expect and require as an enterprise in moving mission-critical systems to the cloud environment.